7 Principles of an Abundant Life. A reasonable life can be achieved by anyone. An okay life, an okay job, okay relationships. Anyone can have these. If you want a great life, you must commit to leading a great life, to doing things the majority do not do. Commit to thinking like the minority, not like the majority. You see, most people are content with simply existing. They go through the motions day after day, never really stopping to ask themselves what they truly want out of life. But you are different. You are here because you want more. You want a life filled with abundance, happiness and success. And the truth is, you can have it. It all starts with a decision to commit to living a life of purpose, a life that is authentically yours. Here are 7 principles to guide you on your journey. 7 principles to help you unlock the abundant life that is waiting for you. First principle. One day you will be gone. The emperor penguins of Antarctica face unimaginable challenges. They brave brutal blizzards, freezing temperatures, and long journeys just to survive. But they do it all for one reason: to ensure the survival of their young. They understand the preciousness of life, the fleeting nature of time, and so it is with us. One day, each and every one of us will take our last breath. Our time on this earth is finite, a single journey from beginning to end. This realization shouldn't fill us with fear, but with a sense of urgency, an urgency to truly live, to embrace each day as the gift that it is. Don't squander this precious time. Don't waste it on regret, on fear, on what-ifs. Live fully today. Give your best in everything you do, whether it's at work, in your relationships, or in the pursuit of your passions. Make each day count. Leave a lasting positive memory in the lives of everyone you encounter. Be a source of light, of love, of inspiration. For in the end, it is not the length of your days that matters, but the depth of your life, the impact you made on the world around you. Live each day as if it were your last, because one day it will be. Embrace the brevity of life and let it fuel your passion, your purpose, your desire to make a difference. Live a life worthy of remembering, a life that echoes in the hearts of those you leave behind. This is your journey. Make it count. Second principle. There is nothing you cannot be, do, or have. Look around you. Everything you see, from the device you're watching this on to the roof over your head, started as an idea in someone's mind. Someone, somewhere, dared to dream of a world where these things existed, and they set about making it a reality. The same power resides within you. You have the power to create, to achieve, to manifest your dreams into reality. If someone else has done it before, you can too. Don't limit yourself with self-doubt or disbelief. Believe in the power of your own potential. What is it that you truly desire? What are your deepest aspirations? Write them down, create a plan, and start taking action. Every journey begins with a single step. Take that step today. There will be obstacles along the way, challenges to overcome, setbacks to learn from, but never lose sight of your goal. Never stop believing in yourself and your ability to achieve it. The world is full of possibilities, but they remain hidden to those who lack the courage to pursue them. Be bold, be daring, be relentless in your pursuit of your dreams. Remember, the only limits you have are the ones you set for yourself. Break free from those limitations and step into the boundless potential that awaits you. Third principle. Nothing is worth it if it doesn't make you happy. Life is too short to be anything but happy. If something doesn't bring you joy, if it drains your energy and steals your peace, it's time to let it go. This applies to everything: jobs, relationships, commitments, even material possessions. Happiness isn't a destination, it's a way of life. It's about making choices every single day that align with your values, your passions, and your definition of a life well lived. This doesn't mean that every moment will be filled with sunshine and rainbows. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of sadness. But even in those moments, you can choose to find the silver lining, to learn from the experience, and to keep moving forward with a grateful heart. Sacrifice is a part of life, but never sacrifice your long-term happiness for short-term gains. If something feels wrong, If it consistently leaves you feeling depleted and unfulfilled, it's time to reassess. Your happiness is your responsibility. Don't give anyone else the power to control it. Choose joy, choose love, choose to surround yourself with people and experiences that light you up from the inside out. Remember, you deserve a life that makes you happy. Don't settle for anything less. Fourth principle: be yourself always, no exceptions. In a world that constantly tries to fit you into a mold, to tell you who you should be and what you should do, there is immense power in embracing your authentic self. Your uniqueness is your superpower. Your individuality is your gift to the world. Don't dim your light to fit in with the crowd. Shine brightly, embrace your quirks, and let your true colors illuminate the world. The world needs your authenticity, your perspective, your unique way of seeing things. Don't be afraid to stand out, to be different, to march to the beat of your own drum. It's in your differences that your true beauty lies. Live your own life, make your own decisions, and follow your own path. Don't let anyone else define your worth or dictate your journey. You are the author of your own story, so write a masterpiece. Embrace the freedom that comes with being unapologetically you. There is only one you in this world, and that is something to be celebrated. Fifth principle: everything you need is already within you. We often search for happiness in external things, possessions, achievements, relationships. But true happiness, lasting fulfillment, comes from within. It's not about what you have, but about who you are. You are already whole and complete. You already possess within you all the love, wisdom, and strength you will ever need. It's time to tap into that inner reservoir, to connect with your true self, the self that exists beyond the noise of the outside world. Practice gratitude for what you have, for the people in your life, for the experiences that have shaped you. Gratitude is the key to unlocking contentment. When you realize that you need nothing outside of yourself to be happy, you become a magnet for abundance. You attract into your life the people, opportunities, and resources that align with your authentic self. Take time for introspection, for meditation, for connecting with your inner voice. Listen to your intuition, trust your gut, and believe in your own inner wisdom. The answers you seek are already within you. All you have to do is listen. Sixth principle: there's no room for toxic people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose your circle wisely. Surround yourself with positive, uplifting individuals who support your dreams, encourage your growth, and inspire you to be your best self. Toxic people, on the other hand, will drain your energy, dim your light, and hold you back from reaching your full potential. They thrive on negativity, drama, and conflict. Don't let them pull you into their storm. Learn to recognize the signs of toxic behavior: constant negativity, manipulation, control, disrespect. Once you've identified these patterns, set firm boundaries and distance yourself from those who exhibit them. Your energy is precious. Protect it fiercely. Don't waste it on people who don't deserve it. Choose to invest your time and energy in relationships that are mutually beneficial, supportive, and uplifting. Remember, you teach people how to treat you. Don't be afraid to walk away from relationships that no longer serve you. You deserve to be surrounded by people who lift you higher, who celebrate your wins, and who support you through challenges. Seventh principle: whatever you focus on, you will find. Your reality is shaped by your thoughts. Whatever you focus on, you will find more of. Focus on the good, and you'll see more good in your life. Focus on the negative, and your world will become a reflection of that negativity. It's all about perspective. You can choose to see challenges as opportunities for growth, setbacks as lessons learned, and obstacles as stepping stones on the path to success. Practice gratitude daily. Take time each day to appreciate the good in your life, no matter how small. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, and it opens your heart to receive even more abundance. Train your mind to see the positive in every situation. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Or how can this benefit my life? Even in the midst of difficulty, there is always something to be grateful for, a lesson to be learned, a silver lining to be found. Remember, your thoughts are powerful. Choose them wisely. Focus on the good, expect the best, and watch as your reality transforms into a reflection of your positive expectations. Outro: live an abundant life. The journey to an abundant life is a lifelong pursuit. It's about making conscious choices every single day that align with your values, your passions, and your definition of a life well lived. Remember, what you give your attention to will become your experience in life. Practice seeing the good in your life and in others. Think the best, expect the best, and always ask yourself, how can this benefit my life? Leave who you were, love who you are, and look forward to who you will become. The power to create the life you desire rests within you. Believe in yourself, trust the journey, and never stop reaching for your dreams. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel to be inspired.